back-to-back win ipinamalas ng Alas Pilipinas women's team sa Vietnam. Yan at iba pa sa pagbabalita ni Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho.
Umarangkada agad ang Alas Pilipinas sa opener ng 2025 ABC Women's Volleyball Nations Cup sa Vietnam. Dinomina nila ang Mongolia in straight sets, 25-18, 25-16, 25-14. Pinangunahan niya ni Vannie Gandler na nakapagtala ng 16 points on 13 attacks, 2 aces and 1 block. Tuloy-tuloy naman ang kanilang winning momentum sa laban nila kontra Indonesia, this time in 4 sets, 22-25, 25-23, 25-13, 28-26. Nanguna dyan sina Alyssa Solomon at Angel Canino with 17 points apiece. Sunod na makakaharap ng Team Pilipinas ang Iran mamayang hapon, 4 p.m. Sa PBA Season 49 Philippine Cup eliminations kahapon, nawakasan na ang 6-game losing skid ng Blackwater with a 97-82 victory over Terra Firma. Mula 52-45 sa dulo ng first half, full control na ang Blackwater hanggang dulo. Double-double dyan si Christian David with 19 points and 12 rebounds, 4 assists and 1 steal. Tapos na ang 6-game winning streak ng TNT matapos silang talunin ng Jin Kings 97-78. Mula 13-0 run sa simula, lumaki pa ang lamang ng Hinebra by as much as 32, 59-27. Japeth Aguilar delivered a double-double of 20 points, 14 rebounds, 2 assists and a block.
And I think you just have to really appreciate the 6-game winning streak they came after starting the conference slow with 3 losses, and they're right in the fight, and we knew that, and I just think that we came out with some real ferociousness to start the game, and just were able to carry it through. At this point of the conference, when you're battling for that Final Four spot, you'll take any advantage you can get.
Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.